They say learning to code is expensive, more so with time than with money. Because there are a lot of free coding resources out there. Although I think you will find that the quality learning courses are things that you have to actually pay for. However, I say that actually it's expensive, more expensive, to not learn how to code. And why do I say that? Because when you don't take the time to learn how to code, then you will always be tethered to other people to get your web design jobs done, whether it is a software company developing the proper tool for you to use and paying those software fees, or when you have to hire an outside developer that has greater skills than you do in terms of coding. By not taking the time out now to start learning, because it does take time to develop a skill, then, years from now, you're still having to pay all those software fees. You're still having to pay those outside developers, still having to give them a cut of those web design jobs that you've gotten. But if you start learning now, then as time passes, you're going to notice that you're going to save in the long term by no longer having to pay for these no-code software solutions and not having to pay outside developers to build simple websites for some of your clients. So I think you're actually spending more time and more money by not taking the time now to actually focus on learning how to code. Because it is something, like I said, that I believe that everyone has the ability to learn if they have the ability to focus on it. I know everybody's time is precious, but that's why I developed the Daily Code Snippet YouTube channel. And what I do there is I present a single coding concept every day. And these videos are short. The majority of them are less than 5 minutes. The recap videos may be a little bit longer, like 10 to 15 minutes, but still. Do you think that you have 15 minutes of your time on a daily basis to learn something new? I think you can do it. And I would encourage you to visit the Designers Learn Code YouTube channel. And every day, set aside a small amount of time to learn something new and build a foundation so that in the long term, you can save your money. Presented by Designers Learn Code.